One of the new features in iOS 26 is a smarter battery mode called Adaptive Power, which apparently is designed to help your iPhone battery last for longer, especially when you're doing heavy-duty tasks and things that perhaps you don't normally do on your phone. So to get started, we're going to jump into the Settings app and then go on to Battery. From here, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and go on to Power Mode. At the top of the screen, you'll see a new toggle called Adaptive Power. And Apple describes underneath that the idea here is that when your phone is using more battery than normal, it will slow down background tasks and perhaps reduce the brightness of the screen and things like that to try and make your battery life last the same as it normally would on a normal day of usage. That means that you shouldn't be caught short when you're perhaps having a busy day or you're out and about. The other nice feature here is that it will automatically turn on low power mode when the battery goes to 20% or below, so again that should help it last for a little bit longer. I've had this setting turned on since I've been using the public beta, and it's hard to tell so far what difference it's made. Beta software generally uses a lot more battery anyway while it's doing background tasks and things, but I'm hoping when the final release comes out that it should be quite a useful tool to have in your phone. And that's it. I'll see you next time for another quick tip.